Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to play with the WordSnack application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then as you can see, the task is to create words by swiping them together or to bind the letters to make up an existing word like this. And if you are done with it, your level is finished, as you can see. So you are going to get more complex exercises that you have to solve. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.